The reading is incredibly unstable here.
Oh.
It's just falling apart under the pressure. Okay, let's try this spot.
Backing up, good speed. Copy. Slow it down now, driver. Stopping. Stopping now.
Keep it steady. Slow down. Got it. Watch the back. Stop. Right there.
The chassis rails are heavily compromised. Floor pan is rusted through in multiple spots. The road decay is extensive. Decay here, solid, hollow, weak point, strong. Severe spiderweb crack. Hopefully this eats through it.
No.
Come on, you old beauty.
No.
Just a little more. The block is in worse shape than we thought.
Yes, that cylinder looks compromised.
I don't know if we can save the original. Engine seized. Complete disassembly. Ready to proceed. God, look at this thing. It's been decades.
Yeah, completely gone.
But the shape is still there. Here, the depth is significant.
Noted.
Interior documentation is complete. Let's start the exterior strip.
All right, ready to lift? Yeah, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Heavy.
Heavy. Watch your side. Okay, pins loose.
Heavy.
Heavy. Bring the trolley over. Got it.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, ready to lift this one too? Yeah, ready. 1, 2, 3, up. Wow, that's heavy. Cough, cough, so much dust. This carpet is completely gone.
Look at the rust holes in the corner here.
Yeah, the floor pan is pretty much destroyed. All right, dashboard harness out. Careful with these brittle bends. Looks good. Label the ends as you go.
Okay, mounts are loose. Ready. Hoist engaged. Keep it steady.
Keep it steady. Watch that fender. Slowly.
Just a little more.
Clear the bay. Hold it there.
Line it up, Lisa.
Almost there, careful.
Just a little lower. Perfect. Bolt it down.
Look at the extent of the sand corrosion here, right down to the floor.
And the staining on the firewall is deeper than we thought. See here?
Severe corrosion on the Weber's cylinder 6 inlet is seized.
Agreed. Notes confirmed. Needs a full rebuild.
Höften nummer för Ragnar.
Cure status confirmed. Let's move to mapping.
Floor pan, 32. Left sill, 33. Right rear quarter, 34.
The front end shows significant damage, requiring a full panel replacement.
Copy that.
We're ready when you are.
Moving to the hood now.
Check your edges. Clear.
Time for the final mix. Make sure the hardener is fully incorporated. Watch for the color change. Perfect. Now, load the
Keep it even on the low spots. Make sure that rear quarter is seamless. Almost finished with the hood.
All right, here we go. Got it? Viscosity check. Timing. Confirmed. Good to go. Loading the spray gun. Perfect. She's completely covered.
Looks flawless.
Let's give it time to flash. Doors are sealed. Temperature is holding steady. Perfect. Cure is initiated. Exceptional. Perfectly cured. Look at that shine. It's flawless. The finish is perfect. Truly a masterpiece. Couldn't have done it better. Time to lift the cover?
Go.
Okay, I've got a spot for it. Now for these cam towers.
Okay.
Next, we'll label each piece precisely.
What did the micrometer say?
Bore 3 is 98.7, 4 is 98.8, and 5 is 98.6.
Got it.
Perfect. That black gloss is magnificent. Ready for the final measurements. The crank is in place. Time for the caps and the torque sequence. That spins beautifully. A perfect rebuild.
All right, lowering now,
Clear.
coming down slow,
Check the clearance.
settled.
Perfect fit. The leather smells brand new. Looks solid, let's adjust it now. Smooth as butter.
Looking good. Now for the wheel.
Just connect these wires.
Almost done.
All right, doors open. Here we go. She's perfect. First light, team.
the Colombo V12. Perfectly rebuilt, period correct, nothing compares.